When creating a process step in QED.NET, the software needs an aperture to evaluate the viability of all possible configurations. Before version 10 of QED.NET, the aperture would default to the most specific aperture the user had defined in the part editor. This was somewhat problematic as it required the user to increase the design aperture in the rater in order to polish an aperture larger than a clear aperture. Now the design aperture is more clearly displayed under our rating options, is easier to change, and the default behavior can be modified in our application settings. If we go to Polishing, Default Process Settings, under Process Step Design, we can choose the default behavior of our design aperture to be either the clear aperture or the full aperture. Lastly, inside the Solve screen, the user can now update the polished aperture to any value less than or equal to the full aperture to force a configuration rewrite. This can be helpful when generating solves over surfaces with half angles that approach the limit of the wheel, or for testing how polished aperture will affect total polishing time. Thank you. If you have extra questions, feel free to reach out to support@qedmrf.com.